don't have door. 뭐 하나 사이트 걸은 길다네. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's day 2 and today we're going somewhere which is very popular. I think many of you know the place. So if you guys want to know where are we going, keep watching till the end. Guys, we came to Tuisoi Waterfall. Yeah, how are you? Hello guys. हम कहाँ पे आए हैं?
लोग इधर पे पानी देखने आए थे.
Such a nice view. Ta-da. We're almost reached the waterfall. Can you guys see that waterfall? We're going there. There goes the waterfall.
Bota con nó thấy bota một lần. Ai sao có nhiều.
Mama có to. Wow.
Jangan hadi yo.
Wow, Titanic pose. 뭐 하나 사이트 걸은 길다네.
Mai cuma lewat sebangnya nanti. Oh ya, pilih.
Look at that tree, so tall. Oh my god. Let's go guys. Hi Jati. So guys, we're heading back. The place is good. Are you tired already?
Kanang hada. Sito mo ko na.
Are you guys tired? No? Nâng khe? Lên lên cái sao đi? Shit, you sao vào sống sao đó? Oh my god, who's this ugly? Shh, terwani click kare. If you guys come here and if you guys want to pee or poo, sorry to say they don't have door. The doors are all broken. Mukang. Move lên suka na.
Kiss mo lang ang mera mazak.
Such a pretty view. Wow.
That's great. Fantastic.
Such a nice view. Anything, Sadi?
So kita kami kata.
Omchin kumoy.
Anything you wanna say?
Hãy nói đi hỏi sao?
Wow.
Tại yang nếu không có đi bông này mà khang lên ra. Cũng như hắc ran.
Joto leng ra kani ja. Si bu leng ra. Aya.
Bukan put keting.
Pro kam ma hang to này cái đã. The weather is so nice. In my body, guys. Guys, we came all the way from there. There are two ways we can go, from the site or the site.
Tired and exhausted.
Tired and exhausted.
What the hell? Exhausted.
Exhausted. So guys, we have finally reached on the top. Guys, that is the way. Asik habung sata. Tatu. Hah? Armanangka? Yang na hari. Lelengka? Armanangka? Party hingga agari go. Hingga ke? Singko saka bo. Wow, wow. Oro. Hey, bye. This is our car. Titu, 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 titu. Guys, look at the view. It looks so Guys, that is it for today's vlog. If you like the vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next vlog.